In this video, I'm going to show you how to master data selection right here in Google Sheets. So if you're just looking for that video that will show you how to select parts of your data, your entire data, or your entire spreadsheet, this is for you. So first, how do we select our data? We can do this in so many ways. So the most basic one would be with your mouse pointer. So right now I have this cell selected, and that is A1. If I drag this out to my right, I am able to select this first row. And if I drag it down, I'm able to select these number of rows. And as I scroll down, I am able to go down and select this entire data just using my mouse. And if I release, I have selected my entire data on this spreadsheet. So that's one of the basic ways you can select your data. You also have your keyboard shortcuts. Now, with our keyboard shortcuts, you can do this in so many ways. If I were to select this first row right here, I'm going to press on the Shift key and the right arrow key to go to this column right here. And there you have it. I've selected the header row for my data. If I want to go ahead and select more of my rows, I can just press on that Shift key again and keep on pressing on down arrow key to keep going until I've selected the data that I want. There you have it. Now what if I want to select a column? So I can just do that with the Shift key and just press down like so. There you have it. So that's your Shift key and arrow down key for that column. If you want to include those other columns, you can just press on the right key again, still holding on that Shift key. There you have it. Your right arrow key going to the right to select those other columns, still holding on to that Shift key. And that's how you can select some parts of your data. You can also do this, of course, with just your mouse, clicking and dragging that left click until you've selected the ones that you want to select, then release, and there you have it. Let's say I want to delete this. I'll just press delete on my keyboard, and it has deleted all those selected data. Now, what if we want to select our entire data? We've done that with the mouse pointer again. This time, let's do it with our keyboard shortcuts. So if you press Control, Shift, and your arrow keys, we are going to press both. I'm holding on to that Control or Command key if you're a Mac user, and the Shift key. And if I press on the right arrow key, I've selected my first row. And if I press down, I would have selected the entire data set. Again, that's your Control or Command, Shift key, your right arrow, and your down arrow key. Now, of course, you can also do this with another simpler Select All keyboard shortcut, which would be our Control A. If I press that right now, there you have it. Whether I'm in the middle of my data set, if I press Control A, it will select my entire data. And if I press that one more time, so I have Control A pressed already, and if I press that Control A again, I would have selected the entire spreadsheet. And lastly, since we have selected the entire spreadsheet by pressing Control A twice, we can also do that with our mouse by just clicking on this tab right here. And those were the ways on how you can master data selection with your mouse pointer and your keyboard shortcuts right here in Google Sheets. By the way, if you want some extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.